Hey, it's Dr. Todd Molsty, and we are in our series talking about the immune system. And today we're going to talk about how thinking well has such an important impact on your immune system. Well, a University of Kentucky professor did a great study on optimism and how optimism affects your immune system. In fact, it increases your immune system. So, the glass half full or half empty, be the half full. So important. Be optimistic about what's going on. You look around, man, the people out there, you've seen it. I know you have. It's the person who says, man, I'm sick, I'm sick, I'm sick. Well, guess what? They're sick. Yes, that's right. Because they're thinking it. Think good thoughts, allow your body to take that in and bring up your nervous system and allow it to function well. That increases everything, including your immune system. Like I said, with all these things, you can Google these things. It's great. Just go online and say, thinking well and the immune system, and you'll see all kinds of good stuff. So make sure you're optimistic about life and about what's going on. That allows your immune system to work better. Laughter is one of the best things. Boy, if you're laughing, that actually they did studies on laughter and how that increases your immune system and increases the T killer cells, which go after things like cancer. Wow, simple laughter to help boost your immune system. What a great thing. So make sure you're thinking well to have a good immune system.